in the Scooby-Doo. What is this Scooby-Doo?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the TeslaSnek. We're on our way up to the Verona drag strip to race a supercharged Camaro and a C8 Corvette in the Tesla Model 3 Performance. My brother-in-law is already there, so let's check in with him.
That's the whole point of this build.
Yeah, well, you know, because you got crazy horsepower for a car like this. I think you said 580 for the horsepower.
Yeah, so it's 580 stock. Right now we're sitting with the cold air intake, the long tube headers, and the Corsa exhaust. Gotta go get it tuned so that way we lose the check engine light. The big battle that I'm having is, do I go E85 or do I go full race fuel?
Oh, okay.
So, if I go full race fuel, I'm not going on the street anymore.
Oh, yeah, this is your performance car.
I still want to drive it for now, so.
Alright, I got an ice cream. I love ice cream. And we're gonna, there's Tim, getting his interview. They have to give you a car inspection, so it's official. There he is, the TeslaSnek himself. How do you think you're gonna do? He thinks he's gonna have it off the launch, but he thinks he's gonna take the 1/8 altogether because of that horsepower. They're lining up the Model 3 Performance and the Camaro right now as we speak. Here they are right now. Who do you think's gonna win this 1/8 mile?
If the Camaro can grip, probably get around him on the far end.
I think if the Camaro can grip, though, I feel like it could take it all together. So there's the green light. That has to go green. They call that a Christmas tree. Okay, Tesla performed a little better than I expected there, but I think the C8 Corvette's gonna kick its butt. C8 Corvette just pulled up. Okay. Oh, a couple weeks ago?
Yeah, it's new to me.
Okay.
But
oh,
this
wow.
is a 2021.
Okay, 21 Corvette C8.
85K, you know, it's 0-60, 2.7, 2.8.
2.8, 2.7 for the 0-60, nice.
It's a 60-40 weight distribution. 60% weight in the back, 40 in the front. It's supposed to really help it hook up.
And today you're going to be taking on, I mean, a few other cars, but one of those cars is going to be taking on the Model 3 Performance Tesla. Have you ever gone up against one before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, nice. Okay.
Should be fun though. My wife drives a Tesla, so
okay.
Teslas too.
All right.
We've got the Model Y. It's not the performance, but they're still pretty quick.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. There's so many different modes.
Yeah.
The launch control is crazy. Like there's sport, there's track, there's like traction on, off, EC.
They're lining up the Model 3 Performance and the Corvette, so we're about to get the answer we've all been waiting for. No way, it's about to go green soon. It's about to go green soon. I hate my life. Tesla won. All right, there's the Tesla. Hey, you kid! You did good, brother. You did good.
I turned everything off, and it's just got too like unstable and crazy.
Oh, I feel you, man.
I was like, holy shit.
Yeah, try something different. I have a feeling if you try, yeah. We're gonna actually go into a second rematch. C8 Corvette versus Model 3. So there's different modes to the Corvette. So we're gonna find out which mode's the best. Because on paper, that Corvette can go 2.8 seconds 0 to 60. So something's gotta happen. Something can happen We just haven't figured it out yet where he can beat the Model 3 performance. I really have a good feeling.
So which mode did you try last time? If I use my track mode, this says track mode, it'll actually make me slower because it'll cool the battery. And for peak acceleration, the battery's got to be warm.
Who do you guys think will win the second round, the C8 Corvette or the Model 3 Performance? What do you guys think? I think C8's got in the bag still.
I'm Model 3, dude.
Oh, man.
Model 3, dog.
Damn.
Model 3. Yeah.
I'm going to stay with the Corvette only because it has so many different modes that it has to try out. I'm a little scared. That's a 2022 Corvette. No, I think the 23 has even made them crazier. Okay. It's a rematch, baby. It's a rematch we're having today. Rematch. Okay. Let's go, Corvette. Oh, shit. No! Come on, Corvette! Please! Please! Bro, why? It's all right, man. You did good. It's all right. It ain't over till it's over. Something. Hey, listen. He's learning how to use his Corvette.
You're rooting for the wrong guy.
No, I'm kidding. Teslas are very formidable. I mean, take into mind that's a $55,000 Tesla versus an $80,000 to $90,000 Corvette, and like the fact that it outperforms is insane. So I gotta give it to Tesla. You know what I mean? Like more for less.
No, this guy's GTR. That's a fast car.
Yeah, no. This is a beautiful car. At least that's what I'm thinking. How you doing?
Yeah, man, how are you?
What year is it?
19.
Oh, okay, I was close. Is there any modifications to this car?
It's, yeah, it has everything. It's a 900 wheel.
Oh,